In 1988, we just happened to see a sign at the Newport area, farm for auction.
We started raising baby calves on a bottle back in the 80s. From there, it's kind of where we got our start.
It's what we loved, and that's what we decided that's what we want to do forever.
My dad always used to tell us that you try to make it better for every generation.
But without farm credit, I mean, none of it could be possible, because it truly is a blessing to work with people like that that's willing to see your vision.
Grandma and Papa always used farm credit for years, and then whenever we started the process of buying a farm or looking into it and then buying, reached out to Farm Credit, and they were super helpful and great to work with.
They just made the process really easy, and they really focus on relationships with us.
We really do. We owe it all to Farm Credit. They believe in us when times are tough, when it's not easy, and we're able to keep growing it because of Farm Credit.
Farm Credit grew with our family. Every new loan officer grew with our family. But I've just been blessed that every one of my loan officers has been like family.
Your life is a little bit different than the ordinary, and so working with Farm Credit as farmers, the loan agents understand that lifestyle and the busyness and all that comes with farming, and so they understand it and they go above and beyond, and they take pride in that.
They know us. We're not just dollar signs, walking through the door. They know us, they know our names, they know our family. That's really important. That makes you feel comfortable and want to do business.
With what Farm Credit has been able to do for us has made it possible for us to do for our son and our grandchildren.